Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm a plant-based food content creator. It's super important to have a good phone. Setting timers for things, planning the recipes, for filming, for editing, high quality shots. Nobody wants a grainy food video. Oh. Hello Rachel, Tom's Guide here. We want to challenge you to create a delicious dish you've never made before using the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to help you along the way. Happy cooking. Okay, cool. So what have we got here? Hispy cabbage, some cucumber, variety of different vegetables over here, sesame seeds, pickled radish, and we have the kelp chips here, but it's in Korean, so I'm going to use the AI feature to translate that. Okay, cool. Says that it's good to serve as a snack or as a side dish. Let me have a think. I think I'm gonna make an okonomiyaki pancake, seeing as I've never made it before and I have all the ingredients here. First things first, I'm gonna find a recipe online, a vegan version, because I know that it's usually made with eggs. I'm just gonna copy the recipe into the Notes app because I know that there's a note assist feature. It's actually super organized and it's a lot easier to read now. Let's get cracking. I'm just going to do some filming for my socials because I've heard the camera is really, really good. Let me just do a little zoom to get the right frame. That is perfect. That's really good quality. I'm very happy with that. I'm just going to set a quick timer because I will burn this if I don't. It's really important to make an effort with presentation. You eat with your eyes and you want to see something that's scroll stopping. And there's actually a really cool feature on the phone called Drawing Assist. You put in a prompt and it generates a really fun AI image for you. I'm going to get some placing inspiration from that. I'm going to start with the okonomi sauce. Hope I don't mess this up. And then I'm going to go in for the vegan mayo. That's looking good. Chopped up spring onions. Add a bit of brightness with the pickled ginger. I love pickled ginger. And here are the kelp chips. I think I'm gonna crumble these up and give it a nice bit of texture. Sprinkle that over. Pickled radish, sesame seeds, some nori sheets. I think this is looking great. I'm pretty proud of myself, to be honest. Phone eats first, so I'm just gonna take a quick snap for my story. Very excited to try this. Oh wow, that's actually really, really good. You need to come and try this.